This is the best crop we've had all season. Absolutely, they look perfect for the juice. The crushed mango and orange pulp flows into the collection trough, where its consistency is carefully monitored before moving on. Next, the clear golden sweetener is precisely injected into the thick orange pulp, creating these beautiful swirl patterns. To ensure the perfect sweetness, the juice undergoes a bricks level measurement, confirming the ideal foot. Following final quality checks, the valve is opened, and the perfectly pasteurized juice surges into the pipeline, ready for bottling. With bottling and capping. As the steam condenses, droplets form on the glass, guaranteeing purity before the bottles are filled. The vibrant orange juice flows rapidly into the bottles, the thick liquid swirling as it rises precisely to the fill line. The samples are placed in the incubator at a steady 37 degrees Celsius for a crucial 24-hour waiting period. After thorough testing, the glassware is sterilized, preparing the facility for the high-speed bottling process. The bottles now enter the 20-head rotary capper. The gleaming heads descend in perfect synchronization. The labeling machine is prepared by sliding a fresh roll of mango labels onto the unwind shaft. Here in Step 6, the sophisticated 4-axis robot precisely stacks the sealed cases in an interlocking pattern. Once stacked, the pallets are tightly wrapped in stretch film, securing the load for global distribution. After labeling, the bottles are packaged onto pallets and sent to the high bay warehouse for automated storage and retrieval by the ASRS cranes. Loaded and ready, the juice begins its journey from our factory to homes worldwide, completing the process. From the factory line to the refrigerated shelf, the juice is now ready for the final step, going home with a satisfied customer. From the orchard to the bottle, and finally to you. Pure, pulpy, and perfectly refreshed.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts. Then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animation are AI generated using Veo 3 Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals or real footage.